Good evening. Here's some big tech news for Sri Lanka. Elon Musk's Starlink is officially launching commercial satellite internet here, joining a club of nearly 100 countries around the globe. Starlink, if you haven't heard, is SpaceX's low Earth orbit satellite system. It just got the green light from Sri Lanka's Telecommunications Regulatory Commission in August 2024, after some fresh changes to allow satellite-based internet in the country. Commercial service is set to kick off later this month. Now, before you get too excited, here's the rundown. 112 Starlink hardware kits have landed in Sri Lanka. Only 12 lucky trial users have received their equipment so far, as part of a tightly monitored pilot program. The TRCSL and the Ministry of Defense are both keeping a close watch. Think quality control, but also making sure everything's secure and above board. Let's talk money, because this is what's got people buzzing. The hardware alone will set you back about Rs 118,000 as a one-time cost. And the monthly subscription? That's Rs 15,000 for unlimited data. For most Sri Lankan families, that's a serious chunk of change, especially when you stack it against average incomes here. So, what's the upside? Starlink is promising to finally bridge the digital divide, especially for rural or remote communities where the internet is patchy, unreliable, or just non-existent. The speed and low latency could be a huge step up, and for some, the idea of fast, unlimited data is irresistible, especially if you're fed up with the high fees and slow service from local providers. But there are real concerns too. President Anura Dissanayake has brought up tough questions about data access and national security. After all, local telecom data has played a key role in past security ops. The government's making it clear they'll be watching Starlink closely for compliance and privacy. Public opinion? Pretty split. Some folks say, "Sign me up, I'm tired of my current provider." Others can't justify the steep costs, no matter how tempting the promise of unlimited internet. The next few months will be telling. Pilot results, user feedback, and ongoing government oversight will shape Starlink's future in Sri Lanka, especially on pricing and privacy. For now, all eyes are on whether this high-speed satellite service can truly change the game. Stay tuned for updates as Starlink's big launch unfolds. I'm your host, and you're watching our channel. Good night!